channel. If you're new here, my name is Kirstin. Today we are going to be doing a really quick and super glowy makeup look. This is my go-to kind of makeup just now. It's really easy because it's so fast, and if you're a mum like me or you've got no time to get ready for like work, you say you've only got like 5-10 minutes, or just if you're a busy person with lots to do but you still want to look kind of glam, then yeah, I think this makeup would work for you too. So I just like to keep the makeup really glowy just now because obviously we're in summer, and even though we've not got much sun here in Scotland, I still like to look as if I've got a little bit. So it's a tan, glowy, fast makeup look. So if you're interested in finding out how I do it, then just stay tuned. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button and click the bell notification down below. So first of all, I'm going in with my Murad Essential C Day Cream as my moisturiser. Then I'm using some prescribed eye cream just because I've got a little bit of dermatitis eczema on my eyes just now, partly due to stress and product allergic reaction. So I'm putting that on so that it sinks in and I'm able to do a bit of eyeshadow. Now I'm using the Collection Illuminating Touch foundation in number 4 Cool Beige. It is such a glowy foundation, I love it so much. And I'm using a Real Techniques buffing brush, I think this is called, just to blend that into my face. Remember to get the chin and the neck as well so that there's a seamless transition. And here's me showing you how super glowy it is, I love it. To set the makeup, I'm using a transparent setting powder with a fluffy brush from e.l.f. Just making sure I focus that underneath the eyes, but also popping it all over my face really lightly. And on top of the cream as well. And see, even when it's set, it's still super glowy. Now, the Tanya Burr Cosmetics Peachy Glow Cheek Palette, I'm not sure if this is even still being made, but it's so good because the bronzer, the blusher and the highlighter are all in one. So it's just handy to grab if you want to, you know, be fast with your makeup. So I'm putting the bronzer on my cheeks and on my nose and forehead as well, where the sun would naturally hit. And then obviously highlight those cheekbones. I would actually not recommend using a fan brush. I'd probably use a fluffy highlighter brush. It makes the highlighter stick better and packs way more on. But yeah, I'm just highlighting all the normal places. And I would normally highlight here under my eyebrows, but obviously not today with my sore eyes. And then just add in the blush too. Obviously by the name of the palette, it's a nice peachy colour and it just makes your skin really youthful and super glowy as well. So I'm now using the Urban Decay Naked Basics palette and taking, it's all matte, all these shades are matte. So I'm just taking this cream shade just to further set the cream, give us a nice base for makeup too. Obviously if we don't have time for an eyeshadow base. It's not perfect as well, just to let you know, because of the eczema underneath. So I'm using this orange shade now, it's like a nice orangey brown. And just using the brush that it come with actually, which is kind of a condensed fluffy brush, and popping that into the outer V, making sure that I've got all the colour in there first and then blending it through the crease in a windshield wiper motion. Then I'm going to take a fluffy brush just to blend that even further still, and then I'll show you the difference just in a second between a really blended eye and the hard eye. It's much nicer and more soft and pretty. Okay, I'm just taking the same orange colour again and repacking it in just to the outer V this time, and not really blending into the crease, just to give it a bit more definition. And then taking some under the lower lash line too. Smoking it out because you don't want a harsh line, you want it to be nice and blended and soft. And then I'm just taking the highlighter from the Tanya Burr palette and popping that into the kind of inner 2/3 of the eye. Sorry, this is such an awful thing. Why did I use that finger? And then layer on a bunch of mascara. You can use as much as you want. I try and get a nice thick coat so that all my lashes are coated nicely. I didn't show you this mascara actually, I don't think. I think it's the Colossal by Maybelline in the waterproof formula. And I have had my eyebrows tattooed, so I don't need to put anything on them, but I'm just brushing them up and into place and making sure that I've not got like any foundation or highlighter on them. And for lipstick, sorry, I'm using this one from Revolution. I can't remember what the shade is called. Inclination, I think. It's just a matte, kind of peachy browny colour. It looks really pretty with the eyeshadow. But obviously because I want a nice glowy look, I'm topping it with the Pixie by Petra. What's this called? God, I'm so bad at this. It's a gloss, you can see it in the video. You know what one if you search it online. It's kind of got that tingle in it, so it plumps your lips as well. And to finish it all off, a little bit of illuminating fixing spray. So fast, but this is the finished look. Some awkward slow-mos for you to enjoy how glowy and beautiful it is. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. Even though, you know, I'm not using like the new on-trend products, I have a lot of makeup and I want to use it, so I don't want to just chuck it out and not use stuff just because it's not the newest and latest on-trend makeup. So hopefully some of you guys will be in the same sort of position as me. Like financially right now, I'm not working, so there's no way I'm buying new makeup. Hopefully you'll have similar, if not the same, products that you can also use. If you do try this makeup look, please tag me on Instagram. My handle will be somewhere around here. All the links are in my description box as well if you'd like to check me out on any other social media platforms. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. There will be new videos posted here every Sunday and one other day during the week, but I've not decided what day that is yet. Thank you again for joining me, and I'll hopefully see you in my next video.